In the Cybertruck ski. In the Cybertruck ski. Not about to get me. All right, what's happening, gang? So, man, right now I still got my videographer. I don't know if y'all can see him right there in the mirror, but I still got my videographer, photographer, hottest one in the game, man. And y'all let me know in the comment section down below, man, how the view is, man. If y'all want a different angle, better angle, or if this angle was decent, man. Again, it's the first time. This the first point of view, so y'all rock with me, man. We're gonna try to make it make sense. I don't know if y'all see the inside of the Tesla. We got the sunroof, panoramic sunroof, sunset, and it's just a vibe out here, man. It's just a vibe out here. Boy, got the motorcycles out. What's up, player? What's up, player? Everybody that got motorcycles, man, outside of this dude, he's pretty reasonable, but they be bumping. Y'all see the motorcycle right there? They be bumping their music so loud. People with motorcycles be having that. What? They be bumping music so loud. Oh, see? There you go. I knew it. Everybody that got a motorcycle like that, they get to bumping their music, bro. Oh, I need to go get my car washed too. I can't take this through mics, or at least I don't want to. So I'll probably take y'all along with me one of these days when I go to get my car washed as well, because I definitely need a car wash. Bro. Outside of that, man, I made them videos. Like I said, I was looking over and make sure that I think I need to get over. I was making those videos, man, and posting on YouTube. Me and my wife had a lunch date, like a little co-working type situation. So we'll work together, because me and my wife, we own businesses together. We do YouTube together. We really do everything together, man. And so we were doing that today. And then what else, man? Did a little bit of other work for some of my other businesses. And then came here and made content. Then now, after I do this point of view video, I'm gonna upload this, get the thumbnail ready for this, post it tonight. I'm gonna post the same day, just to see how it does. And then, yeah, just hang out with my wife for the rest of the night. She at Bible study right now, so wasn't a better time than to get this little nighttime POV, man. This mug is such a vibe. I can't wait to see the footage on bro. But outside of that, man, I just been grinding, man. I've been grinding like I ain't got $1 in my pocket, y'all. Like, I just been grinding, man. And I think it's because I really want to set us up for retirement for real. That's really one of my goals, is like really set us up. And I got the game plan on, bro. I definitely got the game plan. It's really just about execution at the end of the day. But outside of that, man, let's get on the highway, man. We on the highway. That's enough of that yapping. Let's get to it. Yeah, sir, skis. This Cybertruck get up. Yee, get out the way. Yeah. I ain't gonna do too much, because you know what I'm saying, I don't wanna encourage no illegal activity. Okay. What you trying to do, sir? What you trying to do, sir? Nothing. And it be police out here. Mad police out here. There's one run up ahead. Yeah, I see him lurking. He ain't about to get me, Mr. Officer, sir. Ain't about to get me. No sirree. In the Cybertruck ski. In the Cybertruck ski. Not about to get me. Before we get back into the video, man, listen. Over the last 12 years, I've learned real estate, stocks, business, taxes, trading, cryptocurrency, how to publish a book, how to do YouTube, how to create a course. Everything I know up here, man, I want to teach you guys for only $20 per month. You heard that right. Only $20 per month, man. It may sound too good to be true, man, but hey, try it out, man. I think you're going to like what you see, man. Man, click the link in the description box down below. Let's get this money, man. Tap in. No, sirree. Man, if I wasn't worried about getting copyright, which I don't because it's one of my first videos, but, man, I would play, like, driving like this at nighttime and playing, like, some, like, cool little music that's a vibe, bro. Like, I do this, man, even if I wasn't recording, man. Like, I love driving, bro. Like, I love driving, and I love driving, like, at nighttime specifically, playing music that's a vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's really my thing right there. Like, playing music that's a vibe, bro. Nighttime cruising by yourself, man. It ain't nothing like it on bro. Slow down. Y'all see the police right there? Yes, sir. Police be ready to get somebody, man. And the amount of attention this car gets, man, is like none other, man. Like when I say so many people stop you, so many people be like, can I take a picture of your car? So many people take a picture of your car just regardless. Like even if you're driving, they just take a picture of it, man. It's like so much, this car gets so much attention, it's crazy, man. And I think it's because it's abnormal. Like most people are not used to like a car like this. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I rock with it a lot, man. That mug get up, bro. I wish I could really do my thing, but y'all know I ain't trying to get no ticket or nothing like that, you feel me? But I would definitely do my thing. Bro, up there, they gonna let us get loose one time for the one time. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And so yeah, we just gonna be cruising, man. Y'all cruise with me, man. Check out the scenery, check out the city. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Oh, running over stuff, but that's all right. It's a lot of construction out here, man. All right, what we doing? What we doing? What we doing? Well, yeah, okay. Get through there. I remember driving under those little bridges, man. I used to make a lot of noise on my Challenger. I still got a Challenger. Let me know if y'all want to see point of view videos from a Challenger. I got two other cars, man. I got a Challenger and I got another Tesla. I got the Tesla Model X, the one with the doors go up. I think that's what it is. Model Y. I don't know what I got. It's whatever the doors go up. I got that. That's what I got. And so yeah, y'all let me know if y'all want to see any point of view videos from any of those cars. If not, we'll definitely stick with the Cybertruck, because you know your boy cybertrucktay is here to stay on, bro. All right, let's see how we can bust our move. Yeah. Appreciate you, sir. Appreciate you, kind sir. Okay. How do y'all driving it? Y'all be driving with two hands on the steering wheel? Sometimes I be chilling. Sometimes I drive like this. Sometimes I drive with my knee, but I ain't gonna teach y'all bad habits. You feel me? But how y'all be driving, man? Let me know in the comment section. Like how y'all be having? Sometimes I just be, you feel me? All right, sir. All right, sir. Go ahead, get out the way, kind sir. If y'all ever see me out in the city, definitely honk 3 times. Let me know. Say what's up. I don't be out that much, especially in this car, because I try to stay low key. But if y'all ever catch me, honk 3 times. Say what's up. Oh, bro. Stay in your lane. Lesson of the day, stay in your lane. Boys love using their brakes, don't they? Oh, they trying to probably stay behind this police officer. I don't blame y'all. Do y'all thing. I ain't trying to get in front of bro either. Why is that, man? Why do... Oh, look, bro, cutting up. I would cut up with you, big dog, but the police is out. Yeah, he know it. That's why he breaking. He know it. He see it too. That mug is hard though. Got the Impala doing their thing. Hey, boys in the Impala be reckless. Look, hold on. He about to get what? They gonna cut the look. Yep. Look, you about to get him right there. Look. Look at him. Y'all see him? Yeah, it's over with. He cooked. Look at him, y'all. Hold on. Look, he cooked. Let's get a front row seat, cause he is cooked. Look, it's only a matter of time. Okay, he got it up off of him. Dang, he let him go like that. I knew he was cooked. I guess the police ain't want to stop today. Shout out to him, man. I'm glad that he ain't pull the homie over, man. Leave the homie alone. You don't even know what he got going on. I'm glad he got up out that jam. But he was waiting, though. We was going to be right there. First POV. Police pull over Impala. Good for content, ain't it? Follow my man in the Impala. I know. That's one thing good about the Tesla too. Like if you ain't paying attention, like it definitely beep, let you know like, all right, slow down, big fella. Or somebody right there, object ahead, you going too fast, y'all not matching the same speed. So I do appreciate it about the Tesla. Man, this ain't that bad, man. I really think I rock with this type of videos. I'm definitely gonna try to drop at least one video a day, man. Y'all keep me accountable, man, and y'all give me some motivation by liking and subscribing too if y'all want to see more videos like this, man. Definitely vibe out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, hey, y'all, listen, we are off the highway now. So, listen, man, don't forget to like and subscribe, man. Go check out the mentorship in the comment section down below. I'm going to teach you guys everything I know from real estate, stocks, crypto, how to do a budget, credit, how to publish a book, YouTube, everything, man. Link in the description box down below, man. We off the highway now, man. I appreciate y'all tapping in, man. I'll see y'all in the next video, gang. Peace.